Hey guys, Anton here. I'm going to run you through what you get in the box when you get a rain barrel linking kit. So, the obvious piece is you're going to get this big hose, chop that to whatever size you need. It's about 1 1/4 inch. It's designed to fit perfectly onto our fittings here. But yeah, feel free to chop that to whatever length you need. You might only need a very small length if your barrel is right next, or if your two barrels are right next to each other. The next bits you'll see, you get 2 of these, what do we call them? I would call them outlets, sorry. We get 2 rain barrel outlets. You'll see that you get a nut and the body, and that's what you're going to use to link the 2 barrels up. You'll note also, in your package, you get a few seals. So the seals are they're probably going to come in this tiny little bag with these hose clamps. But the seals, all you do, it doesn't matter which they go both direction, just pop those on. And that's going to go on the inside of your tank wall there, and then your nut is going to go on the outside. So just remember that the seal goes on the inside of the tank, and that will stop any water trying to escape and get out. The other couple bits you get, so it's seals, you get a couple of little hose clamps. They should be pretty self-explanatory. Just open them up to whatever size you need, tighten them up after you've fitted those hoses together, and we give you a hole saw as well, which is a 35mm or 1 3/8 inch hole saw. So you'll use that to make some holes in your rain barrel to pop these through. So check out the install instructions and we'll show you how to install it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to install. All the best. Thank you. Bye.